ang atong field director sa The Fraternal Order of Eagle, si Kuya Christian Mikayabas. Kuya Director, good morning.
Yes, good morning, Kuya Dad.
Kuya Director, sa imong unang mensahe siguro.
Sa mga kuya nato sa Luzon, magandang umaga at sa Visayas at Mindanao, maayong buntag.
Ana.
No, para kuan. Balance tanan.
Balance.
O of course sa lahat ng nakikinig sa programa ng kuya natin, Kuya Dads. Good morning sa lahat and mabuhay ang Agila.
Mabuhay ka Kuya Director. Function and duties as field director. Kuya Director, unsa ba gyud? Unsa ba gyud ang papel sa usa ka director as part of our educational body sa atong organization?
Yes, ang Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership as mandated by our Magna Carta is an institute, no? It's an institute separate. Meron siyang mandate as far as education is concerned to our interested and applicants, members of our noble organization, no? So dalawa yan, the Fraternal Order of Eagles and the Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership.
Okay.
So kaya nga sabi natin ang the Fraternal Order of Eagles is a political arm. Political arms in the sense hindi yung yung mga politiko
politician, oo.
Politician talaga. Yung we name it parang political arm kasi nandyan ang mga election sa club president, regional and national, and the PIL is an education arm, no?
Tama po.
But the mandate of PIL is to all the new members or applicants to the different clubs after the process, no? May proseso tayo after the process of the club, yung 5 eyes. And it is now ready for induction and the final mandatory orientation. Susulat sila sa national for their schedule and the schedule of induction and the schedule of the mandatory, no? When we say mandatory, the members cannot be inducted unless they undergo the mandatory orientation seminar conducted by PIL.
Tama.
So that's a simple procedure, kuya, that must be followed, no? So before ang liit-liit lang natin, and then sa ngayon, grabe na, no? As far as membership is concerned to the whole Philippines and even outside our country, so mayroon ng mga agila doon, no? So hindi na problema ang membership as to membership.
Ang dami-daming gustong pumasok.
Natin, no? But the problem is how can we sustain and maintain the mandate of our Magna Carta.
Tama.
So yun ang dapat nating pansinin, no? Ang tanong diyan, is our Magna Carta perfect ba ito? No?
Tama.
Hindi. Even our Philippine Constitution, hindi. So mayroong mga pagbabago. Now, if we have a observation to strengthen our Magna Carta, kasi may mga provision tayong mababasa diyan na parang kulang or kailangan na paigtingin, we have to go into a process, yung tamang proseso. Huwag sa social media natin idaan, tapos mag-ingay tayo dyan, no? That's not the way of Eagle, no? Hindi yun ng Agila talaga. So we have to go into process, no? From the club level, if you have observation, you make a resolution and forward to regional assembly. From regional assembly to National Assembly, doon ang last para maging batas yan or ma-approve yan sa national. Yung mga nakikita natin to strengthen our Magna Carta. Ngayon, meron akong mga suggestion kasi kunti lang kami. So, meron akong suggestion with our group as appeal na if possible, we have to revisit kung kailangan ba na from Luzon, Visayas, merong mga field representative, paano natin gawin yan? Much better. And then we empower slowly the regional orientation seminar institute in every region. But hindi ibig sabihin na lahat ng region idiretso lang as far as ma-endorse sa governor. We see to it that he is very much qualified for the position, no, and undergo the process. Yung simple procedure requirements, we have to follow.
Okay.
And then if okay na, then that's the time na nagkakaroon ng regional orientation seminar o ROSI director tinawag. But there is a limitation of power naman from the ROSI. Unless otherwise authorized by Phil, pwede siyang mag-conduct, no? Yun.
Okay. Actually, Kuya Director, as far as I noticed with the with the function of the ROSI and the Phil director, ROSI director to motivate, to inform the applicant kung ano sa ang mga rules and regulations sa Agila. So that's why very important ang papel nga ginadala sa Phil ROSI director ug Phil director.
Not only educational, no, he is also an educational leadership arm of the institute.
Ang club dili na mag-obey sa region, they wanted to directly go to the national.
Being a responsible eagle, no, we have to abide all the protocols.
Okay, what is that protocol, Kuya Director? For example,
if you have an activities from the club, example, you have a new members. So you have to write to the national president, no, nakasisi si regional governor at si Phil executive for your request as scheduled, no, of the induction and the orientation activities para ma-schedule din ni governor and then the national also, because sa sobrang laki natin ngayon, in times hindi na makapunta si national president, so they have to authorize any pwedeng mag-conduct ng induction, no? Halimbawa, the governor, i-authorize niya, or the executive vice president, or even the past national president. So, the procedure dapat sundin natin, no? For that recording purposes.
Okay.
The region must inform and the national. So, that is why there is a provision in the Magna Carta that 15 days before the schedule of your induction you must have to submit your letter request, no, 15 para maayos yan sa Phil at saka sa national, no, yung schedule.
Okay.
So I hope ma-observe yan kasi minsan, no, whether we like it or not, na nangyayari na medyo mabilisan. Now, sana naman na we have to again, no, revisit, no, yung tamang proseso kasi marami na tayo, no. Kailangan natin na ipakita na we have to follow all the procedure kasi yung mga members natin hindi yan basta-basta.
Tama.
Marunong yan magbasa, no.
Tama.
Maintindihan nila. So again, it will babalik yan sa atin, no. Napaka-simple na, no, hindi pa naman masunod. So
tama po.
So dapat there is a chance, no, na paunti-unti we have to strengthen, we have to follow what is in a Magna Carta, what is the policy of our fraternal order.
Okay. There must be a correct process that we need to observe. Kuya Director, for example, one member of the club, he wanted to renew his national ID. Is that possible that hindi na siya dadaan pa doon sa region, diretso na siya ng national? Hindi na siya dadaan ng club? Hindi na siya
hindi pwede. We have to inform, no? Kasi meron tayong club. And then again, as our responsibility of the member of the club, we have to protect our club, we have to defend our club, and we are here to unite and not to divide. Yun ang responsibility natin. So, all the action, the club must inform. Alam niya. And then that is the responsibility of the club officer sa lahat to asikasuhin niya. Yung if renewal na, prepare niya lahat yung listing, yung function dapat si club secretary is mag-perform. All the records nandyan sa kanya, no? Mag-back up siya ng mga form kasi minsan nangyayari pagdating doon nawala kung ano-ano na yung mga rason. So,
Okay.
of course, meron tayong backup kasi ma-send natin kaagad yung halimbawa ID form yung concern natin. So, and then the region again must know. So, sisi lahat yan because that is our we are under on the region, no. Ang region naman he is also supervising lang kung sinunod ba yung mga proseso.
Okay.
No, hindi ba lumagpas sa Magna Carta?
In short, Kuya Director, may protocol
Yes.
talaga. We need to follow the
Very simple. Very simple naman lahat yung yung
Director, for example, what if meron talagang isang membro na gusto talagang dumiretso talaga, hindi alam ng club president, hindi alam ng lahat-lahat na membro ng club, tapos nakakuha na pala siya ng ID sa national. Anong pwedeng gawin doon?
Dalawa yan ay dapat in-advise siya sa national na idaan niya. Kung nabigyan naman sa club. Yes, sa club. Advise na the club idaan. And that's the process naman. It's an attitude natin lalo na pagka gusto nating sumaway. So very critical when you chartered a club, no? When you chartered a club, hindi yan basta-basta kasi even the founders, no, sa fraternity natin, no, na medyo nasabi nila before na sana hindi start with a boom and end with a whisper.
Tama.
Yung minsan kasi may club ngayon, napakasaya pa, pag after 1 year nawala na.
Wala na.
So di ka na-sustain. So anong problema? Alam mo, hindi problema sa club. The member of the club.
Itself. Tama.
Kasi hindi pwede kahit member lang ako, wala na akong responsibility. No.
Tama.
Isa ka sa bloodline, isa ka sa foundation of the club.
As member.
That is why when I conduct an orientation, kuya, ang una kong tanong, why you are here?
Correct.
Bakit kayo pumasok sa Agila? Ano yung gusto nyong mangyari? Ano yung purpose nyo? Because I ask this question because I want you to tune in one frequency. Baka yung gusto mo, iba sa gusto namin sa PIL, iba sa gusto sa club.
Tama.
So sabi nila minsan, service. And minsan nga nakalimutan yung brotherhood. Dalawa yan Brotherhood and service. Kaya nga, the first Philippine-born fraternal socio-civic organization. In other words, brotherhood and service. Hindi pwedeng puro service. You have to strengthen, you have to develop a strong bond of brotherhood.
Correct.
That is based on our guiding principle and enduring goal, service through strong brotherhood.
Tama.
You cannot give quality service unless otherwise you will not develop a strong bond of brotherhood in your club.
Tama.
Is yun, i-enhance, i-enlight sa PIL.
Tama.
Kuya. So, malaking papel ang PIL because they have yung BBT1 namin na salita, kailangan hindi magkamali.
Tama.
Because kung nagkamali kami, it would be the precedence. Yung mga members, sabi ni Kuya Phil, pwede pala yan. Sabi ni Kuya Phil, pwede pala yan. So, kaya nga, hindi pwede na, for me ako, I have started, no? I am, to be honest, Kuya, hindi ako nag-ambisyon ng PIL. But as an educator, I am a former instructor of some of the university in Cagayan sa engineering department. So parang gusto ko, love ko kasi yung mag-share kung ano yung ano. Kaya when I was elected sa Bukidnon region, first Bukidnon region, isa pa lang yan before, I was elected as the vice governor. No, I declined from the governorship in favor of Kuya Peter Hilly, and then I was elected as vice governor. But after that, I was appointed by Kuya Badong Ramos as PIL. So I declined kasi hindi pwede sa provision, hindi pwede may national position ka tapos tatanggap ka sa PIL. Club level pwede. Yun ang provision sa Magna Carta. So ginusto ko yung PIL. So kaya I was replaced by Kuya Buboy Ayuban of the now is the governor of Southern Bukidnon. So, yun ang continue ko. Now, nawala ko. And then, I was nominated. So, okay lang kung saan ako makakuan. But again, by the next president leadership, if ever hindi ako i-appoint, I have to respect that one. And then, back to my club, or I could share in the region or whatsoever. But for as long, I will bring the mandate of the Magna Carta. I love this fraternity, Kuya. Why? This is the first Philippine-born, Philippine-made. We have to protect this one.
Correct.
I'd like to share this one, Kuya. Tinanong ko sa kanila, are you a member of the Fraternal Order of Eagles after you will be inducted? Ang tanong lahat, yes. Yes. Sabi ko, I will read your oath. I, Juan de la Cruz, a member of Maramag Eagles Club, a club duly affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles. Ang tanong ko, where is your membership?
Tama.
Is in your club. That is why, kung may magsulat dyan or magsabi na member ako ng Fraternal Order of Eagles, dalawa yan. Maghinala ka na. It's either impostor yan or inactive. Kasi bakit ayaw niyang banggitin yung club? Your membership is in your club.
Correct.
Kaya nga, they only authorized to revoke your membership is in your club with due process. So that is why the club must create a grievance club committee.
Tama.
And after that, endorse it to the body sa assembly and the assembly will vote to it. Their punishment might be a suspension or a revocation. But sana hindi na tayo aabot dyan because ang layunin ng isang agila is tumulong. Tama. Pangalawa, tumulong sa less fortunate brothers and community at tumulong sa kapwa kuya kung nangangailangan. Yun ang the first, no? Hindi attitude or hindi ng agila na maninira ng kapwa agila, no? Yun ang yun ang the true. Sometimes nakikita ko mayroong nakalagay diyan sa Facebook, tunay na agila, pusong agila, kung ano pa yan. But sometimes hindi natin nakikita sa kanila yung talagang pagkaagila. No? So that is why I hope mga kuya, so we will revisit our desire, no, na pagiging agila, no? Kailangan natin 'yan, no?
Tama.
Kasi everybody is absorbing, no? Hindi lang kapwa agila. The whole community is looking to us.
Tama.
No? Kasi whether we like it or not, nakikita nila that ang mga agila matulungin, no? Mabait. By definition of the Philippine Eagle, yung mga pillars natin, ilang beses nila ni-research paano gumawa ng pangalan and then they come up with the Philippine Eagles because Philippine Eagles, no, yung characteristic niya is a majestic bird. Tama. Courageous, noble, and keen foresight.
Wow.
Grabe. So, muntik na. Sabi ko nga kuya, no, kung hindi napalitan yung national bird natin na Philippine Eagles, tapos Maya pa. So, I'm sure wala tayo dito ngayon kasi the Fraternal Order of Maya, Philippine Maya.
Tama.
Ano yung karakteristik ng Maya, no? Maya. Yung hindi nakakarinig.
Oo.
Masyado, di ba?
Bingi, oo.
Destructive kasi kumakain ng palay.
Tama.
Yun ang gusto nating karakteristik. Kaya yung founders natin, hindi basta-basta. Grabe yung research nila. Umabot pa sila sa UP. Oh. And then they come out that the characteristic of an eagle is grabe.
Tama.
Majestic bird. Courageous. Kaya nga tayo, kuya, courageous din tayo. Meron tang courage to help. Tama. Sa nangangailangan. Courage to attend the meeting of the club. Di ba?
So, kung wala ka sa ganyan courageous, huwag ka na lang sumali siguro.
Hindi. Do not claim that you are an eagle kung ang layunin mo is maninira ka lang sa kapwa mo, kuya or tao. And then there is a proper place to discuss, to resolve the issue. Huwag sa social media. No?
Tama.
First, if club concern yan, the officer, kaya nga, ang officer, importante yung leadership seminar because we discuss the function of its officers of the club.
Correct.
Hindi lang si presidente dyan ang officer. The club treasurer, the vice president, the club secretary, treasurer must function. The board of director, the members, merong function yan lahat.
Tama.
So, kailangan i-revisit because ang saya, no? Ang saya, ang ganda sa nakikita ko din na marami. Yung agila, maraming teaching kuya. No? Kailangan natin para we will according to former Kuya National Press, no, na ano yung term niya, nakalimutan ko, making good eagle better daw, no? Kaya nga open tayo, kuya, kung sino yung papasok, we have to give a chance because we want that ang Agila magiging instrument
Tama.
na magiging mabuti kang tao.
Correct. Kuya, ang pamunuan ng PIL, wala ba kayong proseso na programa na pwedeng maaaring ang lahat na club president, lahat ng mga officers, vital na mga key position sa club na magkaroon ng another orientation, mukhang reorientation? Kasi kadalasan ngayon mukhang nakalimutan na lang mga functions, nakalimutan na lang mga ano. Iyan ba ay saklaw ng PIL?
Yes, kuya, that is kaya nga ang PIL is aside from educational, he is a planning and leadership arm. Kaya nga every yung tinatawag yung parang may strategic pa planning, but my term sa ganyan is hindi strategic kasi very yung strategic, parang operational planning.
Okay.
Kung paano mo ipatakbo yung club, paano mo ipatakbo yung region, no? Kasi nandyan na yan lahat yung mga provision kung anong gawin, so parang operational planning. So dapat they have to invite some of the PIL para si PIL kasi yung sasabi na ito dapat, parang that is their mandate, no? But I will make noted yan, kuya, kasi maganda yan, no? I will suggest that to all the PIL directors and the executive PIL during our PIL meeting. Kung sino yung makasali, no? We have to revisit the yung tawag natin yung Protocol 101.
Correct.
Eagles Club Protocol 101.
Tama, maganda yun, Kuya Director.
Para align tayo. We are tuned in one frequency.
Correct.
No, hindi yung iba-iba.
Kasi ang dami na sana obserbahan ko, Kuya Director. There was some club president, even the governor, sometimes don't know what is their proper function. Sometimes club president, wala, papugi-pugi na lang, walang nagawa kasi hindi marunong. Hindi ka marunong mag-preside, hindi marunong kung paano.
Yan pa.
Dami-dami.
Meron part of my part sa is nandun yung proper handling of meetings.
Correct.
No? And through that, we have to discuss the basic parliamentary procedure. Ito yung last message ko para sa lahat. Teka lang.
Sige.
Okay, ito.
Mga kuya, mga higalag, mga ate, inyong parehong napatalinghugan ang atong PIL Director, si Kuya Christian Mikayabas. Go ahead, Kuya.
I will share the egoism, kuya. Be ready at all times to answer anyone who asks you what is egoism.
Wow.
Egoism is not found in any English dictionary. Egoism connotes an act, a manner, a behavioral characteristic of group of men who call each other kuya.
Wow.
And who has soared into a fraternal life under its guiding principle and enduring goal, service through strong brotherhood.
Wow.
Egoism is populism. Kaya siguro dumami tayo ng dumami.
Tama.
Meant for the many. It is a social leveler that seeks to bridge the wide social gaps in our society. Among eagles, the wall of social, political, and economic status in life, which separates the high and the lowly, had been crumbled. It is based on the dictum that all men created equal. That all men are created equal.
Wow.
All eagles must soar to be a brothers, to honor each other's strength and be help to the weaker brother.
Okay.
Egoism is not me, but us.
Correct.
Egoism is not I, but we.
Wow.
Mabuhay ang Agila. Thank you so much, kuya.
Mabuhay ka, Kuya Director Christian.